What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Today is day 25 of however long it takes for me to get to my first payout of 2026. So, you know what we're going to do. We're going to jump on the charts and break down what I'm looking at. Don't you like my new haircut? Let's go. Alrighty. So, on the charts today, we got what was expected because of what happened in the Middle East, where we had striked Iran and all of the bombings that's been going on, war talks. We knew that price was gonna gap. We knew that. I knew that. Most people knew that. I'm not gonna lie to you. Most people knew that. So we had a nice little gap from the open to right here, and then it kind of filled back here, and then it came back down. So we're looking back. Excuse me. We're looking for price to fill back probably where it left right here, the highs that it came up here. Right now we are currently in the middle of two areas of interest that possibly could work, right? I don't have a trade idea as of yet, possibly looking for price to get back up to this area of interest, and then it drops from here, because first of all, we're already in a bearish trend. If you could look at the trend, you could see from the highs we create a lows, higher low, lower low, higher low, lower low, higher low, lower low, higher low, lower low. So if price gets back up to here, we're already going within trend. We just had a pullback to get another sell-off. So that's pretty much what I'm looking for. Well, if it happens. And then we have the other potential idea. We have price come back down here to where it created lows of today, and then it bounced back up. Possibly not like a huge push back up, but maybe, who knows? I don't know. It's just the two trade ideas that I have. We'll see which one of these two play out. I'm not going to force anything. Seeing that price is right in the middle of these two areas of interest, I have to be patient and just wait. I'm not going to force anything. I don't play within the dead zones. I only play at the areas of interest because those are my high probability areas. So right now, price is not at my high probability area, so I'm not going to take a trade until it gets there. Guys, it's been a while since the last time I had a Goya coconut water, but I brought it back. I bought it with Goya. We brought you back. We're going to jump on the call right after this, but let's take a sip. Mm. I low-key like this candle, I'm not gonna lie to you. Alright, I'm gonna take it. Buy stop one. We'll see. It better not reject. If it look like a doji, I'm cool off of it. Ooh, nah, I don't like how it's looking. Yeah, it's alright. It's not a bad candle. I'll take it if it goes above here. That'd be my first trade of the day. If price goes back below the low of this candle, I'm cool. There we go. All right, price, go ahead. Take off, man. 275 on the trade, not too bad. Oh man, come on, you moving like a hoe already? You just let me in. Just tap me in. Nope. Yeah. I'm gonna clip this one. I'm gonna clip that one. Let's bust out a quick 50 push-ups for being cooked on the charts real quick, and then we'll get back to the charts. I'm looking to get into this one. Oh, this is my last trade idea. Yep. My screen sharing now. You can see it.
Yeah, we can see it. Thank you.
Gotcha. Okay. Be aggressive on this one. Let's see. Come on, price. Don't do me like that. I'm gonna stop off at 90. Okay, come on. Let's get a drop. I can end the day off a little bit, break even, probably up $40 because I'm already down 190. Come on, price. Come on, price. 30. Don't hold me, man. Look at this. She hold me. Yep, it's all good. I'm done for the day, man. About to pass it.
Let's go. Sound like we at the slot machine.
What the hell? So we at the slot machine for sure.
Hey, it's Kino Casino for a reason. Come on, bro. But it's,
damn.
It was right there too. It was
right there, literally tapped it, bro.
Come on, bro. Just shoot through it. Shoot through it. You know you want to.
Damn.
Come on, bro.
There you go. Come on. There you go. Accounts pass. Congrats, man. That's a great trade. So you guys seen it, man. I lost $289 for the day. Live with the game. They seen it. Unfortunately, took 2 losses. I should have seen that the gap that was created because of the conflict between, you know, US and Iran would cause a gap in the market, and the markets like to close gaps, whether it be in the same day or a couple of days after, whatever the case, it does like to close gaps. So I didn't take that into consideration. Well, I should take that into more consideration, that price will probably want to close the gap, and that's exactly what it did. It closed the gap. I did take buys for the first trade, got stopped out, or I would have had stopped out anyway. I closed my trade a little early. Second trade took sells, also same kind of event. It is what it is. Listen, I risk managed properly, lost less than I would have originally lost if I took the full loss. So I can make it all back in one day, one trade. Like, I can make it all back in one trade. So today just wasn't a good day for me, but tomorrow we hope it for better. And it is what it is. We're going to keep going, right? Never going to stop, never going to settle. We're going to hit our first payout of 2026 very soon, but not rushing it. Till next time, y'all. I love y'all. Peace.